Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to hide your status from others. By doing this option, you can hide your status from your unwanted pupils. Choose your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Reach the privacy option and choose the privacy option. Here you can see the status option. Tap on the status. Here you can see various options. My contacts. By choosing this option, your status is visible to all the contacts in your device. The other option is My Contacts Accepted. In this option, you can customize your status viewers by adding or excluding. The other option is Only Share with Selected Pupils. By this option, you can select the viewers. By doing this, you can customize your viewers and enjoy a wonderful experience in WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.